What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, hello, my name is Juliet and this is my channel. I have been married to my husband for 4 years. We've been together 8. We have 3 kiddos, Daphne, who is 6, Wendell, who is 2.5, almost 3, and then we have Irene, who is 16 months old. We also have 2 pups, Lola and Freya. Love to have you guys stick around. I just really like to share the ins and outs of our day-to-day lifestyle. But with that said, this week has been crazy. Last week was Halloween on Wednesday, and anytime that we have a holiday in the middle of the week, it's crazy. Activities going on the weekend before Halloween and the weekend after that. I figured I would make this into a weekly vlog, Halloween edition. So it'll include all of the Halloween things that we did, festivals that we went to, and of course the pumpkins that we carved and the candy that was consumed. What was the first thing that we did? What did we do? Shoot. Don't remember. I don't remember what we did. Crap. Oh, okay. So the Saturday before Halloween, our local town had a business trick-or-treating, and all of the businesses opened up, well, most of them anyway, and they pass out candy to all the little trick-or-treaters. It's the first thing that we did, and here's the clip of that. Yeah. So that was a lot of fun. I actually think that that was the only picture that we managed to get of all of us in our costumes. But I had picked up pumpkins a couple weeks prior, actually, when I went to go pick up a laundry cart for the girls' room. And they've just been sitting on our front porch. And we brought them inside the house probably about a week ago. So they've been inside for a while, but I just didn't know when we would have another chance. So on Monday night, we all carved our pumpkin, and I had a really hard time coming up with an idea. I ended up going with a cupcake. Let me know if you can see the cupcake. I kind of know if you see the cupcake in my pumpkin. You know, as normal adults, we ended up carving most of them. I think I ended up carving, there was Irene's, I finished Wendell's, Daphne's, and mine. I pretty much carved 4 pumpkins out of the 5 that we had. The kids did a really good job of actually cleaning out the pumpkins, so that's usually the worst part, and I didn't mind it so much.
Mom and Dad.
Gross.
Should you wash my shoes?
You can wash your shoes.
Hi guys. Welcome back to our channel. We're not calling pumpkins now. Ew. Gross.
Dad, can you give me the ice cream scooper?
Ew.
Yep. So then the night before Halloween, a local church actually had an indoor fall festival, or at least I thought it was indoor. And I figured if the weather was going to be bad on Halloween, because in Michigan, it's like either 80 degrees or snowing outside in October. It's just crazy. So I just wanted to be on the safe side because since it has been a lot chillier lately, I just figured go with a safe bet and take them to the indoor trick-or-treating.
We're gonna make s'mores and then you can come bring up, okay? Let's figure shoes back up.
Betty, stop! Whoa! She got some air.
What the?
Bean! What you doing?
Go up there with Daphne.
Daph? Yeah, but they're gonna do it again. They keep doing it. Quit hitting my stick. Quit hitting my stick. No, it's gonna fall off. It's gonna fall off. As you can see, that clearly was not inside. They had tables inside for eating, but that was about it. So I'm really glad that Ron convinced me to bring the kids' coats because I was just gonna let them be in the heated car. On Halloween, we actually went to another church event. This one was actually inside though. It's enough candy that they feel satisfied, but also not too much candy where we're rationing it out for 6 months. Actually, one of Ron and I's friends passes out Faygo instead of candy, and we always make it a point to go there, and I felt so bad because last year we actually didn't stop by and told us that they were upset that they didn't see us last year, so we had to make it a point to stop there for Faygo, which actually I don't think that Ron and I took any Faygo. I don't think we grabbed Faygo this year. Every year we end the night at my friend Sarah's house. They have a Halloween party every year.
Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel. And we're not going trick-or-treating, so we are trick-or-treating. We are going to the other one trick-or-treat.
There we go. Wendell, stop! Stop!
Oh, alright.
Come on. Come on. Go get him.
Stop!
Come on, Krabby.
Oh.
Hi, Bean. Oh, look at the back of her tutu.
Hello? I see 2 of them.
Two? What do you say?
There. Take another one. Take the little sibling have one. Yes.
Hi, Sam.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. We had a few words.
Good job.
It's the first note tonight.
Right? What's your problem, dude?
Crab man.
Good job. Where's your bag, Daph? Woo! Come on. I didn't think that you'd be here.
Trick or treat, come on in.
What are you doing?
Yep.
Are you?
Oh,
Oh, yeah. What? That is it, you guys, for this video. I really hope that you liked watching our Halloween edition vlog. I know that I'm really going to enjoy watching these when we're older or when the kids are older, especially when Irene is older because she won't have as many memories of this as the older two. It'll be nice to look back at what all the kids were every single year. Again, that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, I'd love to have you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to you. All it does is alert you through email when I've posted new content. Like this type of content, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what you were for Halloween this year. But until next time, you guys, all the good vibes. Bye.